Welcome to Homework 2.1 walkthrough. Okay, I'm going to try and keep this nice and short. Don't want to waste your time or even my time. Okay, let's go. Suri has 6 dimes and 4 quarters. Now, if you don't know what dimes and quarters are, they are like types of halala. So you have the 10 halala and you have 25 halala, you have 50. So just think of it like that. So we have 6 dimes and 4 quarters. A quarter is like 25 cents. A dime, I'm not sure. I think it's 5 cents. But anyway, here we have 5 dimes and 3 quarters. This is for Martha. Now, are these two ratios the same? They are part to part. So if I have 6 of something and 4 of something else, it's not the same. No, it's not the same ratio. So you don't need to say anything too complicated. You just have to say, not the same ratio. That's your answer. Okay, now let's see if we can make this bigger. Okay, no, let's just leave it for now. Right. Next question in a trivia game, which is just about, basic questions. Levi answered 8 questions correctly out of 10. So this is part to whole because it's out of something. So we have 8 correct out of the total 10. It says he answered the next 3 questions correctly. So we have to add 3 to the correct and also add 3 to the total. So the final answer is 11 to 13. Now it says the ratio of correct to total remained the same. Is he correct? No. Why? Because this ratio is not the same as this ratio when you add 3. Okay. And if you want to check it again, you can check example 1. It's very similar. Right, this one is talking about total. Again, another total question. All we care about is making 27 cups of fruit punch. So let's make another line here and call this total cups, or we can just write total. Alright. Now, the total here is 4 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2. 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 2 is 7, plus 2 is 9. Now, 9 is my original. Now, what we want is what? 27, because that's what the question says. So, 27 cups. I need to find out what number I multiply by 9 to get to 27. Now, you can just do 27 divided by 9 to find out what is the scale, what is the magic number. The magic number is 3. Now, instead of multiplying everything by 3, we don't care about this, we don't care about lime, we don't care about pineapple, we just care about orange juice. Why? Because the question, you have to read the question. It says orange juice. How many cups of orange juice? So take your 2 times 3 equals 6. That is your final answer. That's how many cups of orange juice you need to make 27 total. Right, it's the same thing with here. He wants 42 pieces of fruit in the basket. Let's get the total. 6 plus 5 plus 3. The total is, let's call it T. It's, what is it? 14. Now, we don't want 14, we want 42. Why? Because it says the large basket has 42 total. Alright, now what do we care about? We care about pairs. It says in the question pairs. So we just care about pairs. What do we multiply by? What's the magic number? Do you think it's 3 again? Well, we can check. Do 14 plus 14. That's 28. So times 2 makes 28. No, that's wrong. Let's do it one more time. 28 plus 14. 4 plus 8 is 12. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. 42. Okay, yes, times 3 is correct. again times 3. So 3 pairs times 3. The final answer is 9. That's your final answer. Okay, thank you.